Let's see in detail of benefit 4, which is like increasing the brand loyalty. What is all it takes to create a brand loyalty? 1. A good user experience goes a long way for any business. It is virtual in building trust in your brand, product, or service, and establishing a long standing relationship with your target customer. Then, a seamless and enjoyable interaction promotes customer activation, which in turn translate into recognition and loyalty of your brand and its production and service. It means like if you give for a customer an enjoyable interaction on a product, it gives a good customer activation, which turns translate into recognition and loyalty of your brand. Like the customer who enjoys the interaction between in on the product, then definitely he can recognition and give the loyalty for the brand. Next, acquiring a new business lead is only halfway the battle. Great UX design does not just attract new users but also helps return and treat existing customers. Next, a customer journey map or CJM for short is one way to help building customer retention. Often provides as visual design or storyboard this is to map out every interaction of the customer journey from start to finish. This helps you to not only build empathy with your target customers but also understand where they are in the purchase cycle and what possible problems they might face at particular stage in their journey. It means when a customer buys something or while doing something, if a customers get to know, it means the target customers who understand whether they are while purchasing cycle or what possible problems they might face while in a particular stages. If a customer gets to know, then that is called a good journey. Next, metrics which all offer insight into way to optimize your design to drive better user engagement and inevitably customer loyalty and retention. Next, we'll see a benefit 5, which is help increases word of mouth referrals. What it means? Usually, when two people discuss on any application or on any topic, a person start discussing regarding the app or on any website. So it's nothing but a mouth referral. If the application is too good, or the ratings are too good, or the likes, and this happens. So with this, our mouth referral happens. Let's see in detail how what are the benefits in benefit 5. Even in the digital world, word of mouth is still a great way of getting business. People buy people, but perhaps even more relevant here, people buy experiences, and if you provide a good experience to your user, then why could not they shout about it? Word of mouth is not only seen in a day-to-day interaction but across personal interactions on social media. We all know just how good word of mouth promotions can be to your business. But how does UX design helps with this? Let's see. For a start, it makes social sharing easy. Then, if you have made the buying process as easy as possible for your user, then when it comes to recommending someone to their friends or family over social media, who are then most likely to recommend it? Imagine if you are using any application, then we take a help of social network like using Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, or Instagram. If you like something, then definitely you like to share that app with your family, friends to use that and to get the good experience with that application. So this is nothing but a mouth referral. UX designers understand the importance of driving social awareness for your business, and this is why they build seamless interaction to social networks through your product. It also helps to build trust people by people and more noticeable trend to learn behaviors from their peer, peers or people that are similar to them. This is where user reviews, star ratings, and people also brought futures being to creep into the mix. Let's see the benefit 6. What it is. Keeps you from wasting resource. In this, we learn how a resource can be avoided, which is which where there is no use of the resource. One, by investing in better UX design solutions, you are able to avoid wasting human resource, time and money. If we avoid resource, then we can utilize the time and the money. Then your human resources are all the people involved in creating your product. Unfortunately, when employees are not managed well, the result can be financially lose. An example of such misuse of resources is hiring marketers and sales managers to promote a product without investing in a user experience that delightful user. Time is a valuable resource that directly impacts the financial side of a project. User experience researchers helps you detect inefficiently solutions and prevent their impatience at the development stage by tailoring your feature to meet the needs of your target audience. So this is what you can see on a screen. This is what how the importance of UX is. A 68% of users leave a website due to poorly designed UX. Then the 86% of visitors want to see information about companies, products, services once on the homepage. A 62% of customers' future purchase is based on past experience. 88% of online customers are less likely to return to a website after a bad experience. 48% of people cited website design as the number one factor in deciding the credibility of a business. So this is what increases and reduce. In increase sales and repeat customers, in increase credibility and brand value, productive and user adoption. Reduce training, maintenance, error, support calls. And let's conclude. A great user experience won't leave your visitors indifferent. Marketers and analytics can try their best to predict the behaviors of user, but in the end, users are still largely led by emotions. While it's not possible to predict what your user wants with 100% certainly, designing a captivating UI and UX through a difficult task is worthwhile. Now, you could be wondering what is UI. UI means user interface. A design or a look and feel what you see on a screen while using an application is an interface. So the UI also matters a lot while using the application. How? In short, I like to say if the UI is not good, means if the interface of the use of the application is not good, then definitely the user will won't use the application. So same, the UI and the UX are the mandatory or the benefits to use the or to work on any task with the application. Almost every business with a web presence can benefit from getting a UX design or code to make their offering better, more satisfying and more memorable. Some, the Evernote, Uber's, Twitter's, Airbnb's have even become indispensable partially due to great user experience design.